Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check RAM value in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. There are two ways to check RAM value in your phone. First way, go to the settings of your phone, go to settings, then go to RAM and storage space, and here you will find RAM value. Total RAM value given is 12 GB. Then extra 8 can be added, but 12 GB is the basic one, and 12 GB RAM your phone has. Okay, so this is first way of checking RAM value. Then second method of checking RAM value is to go to settings first. Go to settings, then go to about phone, and here read on RAM is given 12 plus 8. Okay, so 12 GB RAM is given. So in this way you can easily check RAM value of a phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.